Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and in today's video I have my Google Pixel 6 here in the beautiful ultra matte blue skin here from Soapy Guard. Now I've been using this skin for a little over 2.5, maybe 3 months now, but it's time for a change. I'm a big fan of changing up the look of my phones. So today we're going to take this skin off and we're going to install a matte white skin, because I've been dying to get this skin on my phone to kind of give me that old school Pixel 2 Panda look. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, let's get this skin off. But I just want to take a moment once again to just look at this beautiful skin. It's held up extremely well over the last few months. It just looks fantastic, especially with the Daft Punk bar across the camera bar there. But at the end of the day, guys, like I said, it's time to change it out. So let's get it ripped off real quick. So pretty simple, as you can see there, you just literally peel it right off. Pains me to do so. And that right there looks kind of cool. So this just gives you a quick look at, if you had the stormy black color and you took off that where you had like the, kind of charcoal gunmetal gray there and just had the blue top there. That looks pretty sick if you are someone that doesn't like to use a case and much more confident than I am in holding a phone without a case. But that looks pretty cool right there. But let's go ahead and peel this part off too. Okay, so there we go. Man, it's been a while since I've actually seen the original look. God, it still looks so dang good. I love this color combination. But out with this and in with this. So what I'm going to do for the install, guys, is I want to be extra careful with the G that's already cut out. I had to peel out this part and kind of goofed it up a little bit. So hopefully in the video it does me justice. So what I'm going to do is peel this skin off and hope that G kind of holds up for me. Looks like it kind of did. And what I'm going to do is just kind of flip it over a little bit. I'm going to try to put the G a little bit at the edge, so that way when I'm mocking it up against the phone, I have a little bit of play here. So let's go ahead and grab my Pixel 6 here. And all I'm going to do, well, I'm going to actually do this holding it, so that way it's a little bit easier for the camera view as well. But all I'm going to do is just slide it up. I got the G kind of in my view here as well. Okay. So it looks like I got that top part down pretty good. So all I'm going to do now is basically just peel this bottom off and just kind of let it work its way down. Pretty simple. Now we're going to work the edges a little bit here. And that is all she wrote. So there's the look there if you just wanted the matte white finish skin with the just kind of gunmetal gray top there. So that's the look there. Normally I would use a blow dryer, which I will do after the video, but just to save time, this is the look that you can achieve without even doing that. Now you can just kind of use your finger to kind of work the edges and just kind of smooth them out. There is no air bubbles that I'm dealing with, which sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't, but it worked pretty dang well. Looks pretty good there on the G. So now let's go ahead and at least install the top part, and maybe for fun I will put the camera bar one on too. But for this one, we're just gonna kind of stick it halfway out. And this one's always the fun one, because with this shape here, it's not the easiest thing in the world to install. But we'll try here. A little bit easier than I anticipated. Now we'll definitely need to use a blow dryer on this one, because for the edges where it's rounded, you definitely want to heat those up and kind of form those a little bit better. But once again, for video purposes, just kind of trying to just to show you what the look you would achieve, but got it on there pretty easily. Normally it's a pain in the butt with this one, since it's such a tiny little spot here, And there's the look you would get, guys, if you wanted kind of that panda style, right? You have the white matte finish skin here, top and bottom, got that black camera bar. But once again, just for fun, let's install that camera bar skin. There it is. There is the look of the complete matte finish white skin on my Google Pixel 6. If you are interested in that look there, that's the way it's going to look. So like I said, you kind of got the little nice black and all the different little shades of the, matte black with the rails and the black G and the black camera bar with a little bit of an outline of the black there. So it just looks pretty cool. Now for me personally, I'm definitely not going to have this skin on here, but I at least wanted to show you what it would look like if you did. Now I also have a, a Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, which I'm a big fan of because you can definitely show off the skins on the phone pretty dang good. Unfortunately, the top is, a TPU material. So all you're getting is the back and the camera bar, but that's the look you would achieve if you did want to put on the Ultra Hybrid case and leave that there. But just for the video, let me go ahead and take this case off real quick. And I'm going to peel this skin off because once again, I'm not going to keep it on, so I don't care. But just for fun, let me show you what it would look like without that. And there it is. I think this looks way better in my opinion, just because of the black, and it just looks better. It definitely kind of give me those panda vibes, like I said, but at the end of the day, it's, not exactly, but it's still achieving the look that I'm looking for. So not too shabby. If you are interested in purchasing this skin, then you can just go to soapyguard.com. They are based in California and they ship pretty dang quick. I live in Texas. They get to me in about 3 days and it's $8.99 and you get everything that you saw in the video. So the back skin, the G with or without a cutout, the camera bar skin, and of course the top skin there. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.